అందరు జాయిన్ అక్కడ జాయిన్ అవుతున్నారు.
All good, sir. How are you doing? Fine. Good evening. Good evening. So nice. So nice to see you. Yeah.
మేడం
Lata
నమస్తే.
ma'am. Namaste.
Hi, Bharti. Hello,
Good
ma'am.
evening, madam. Good evening, madam.
Ma'am.
Hi, Archana.
Good, ma'am. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, Kalyana.
Ma'am, good evening. Ma'am, good evening. So, good evening, sir. So, ma'am, you haven't changed a bit. You haven't changed a bit, and sir, you haven't changed a bit. The only difference I can see is probably the gray, a bit gray
Gray
hair.
hair, right?
But
Yes.
మేడం
but
is
right
Priya.
now, yeah, I can boast of more gray hair. And that is the age factor, right?
Ma'am, she is my sister. I hope you remember
Ma'am,
her.
Alekia.
Yes, right.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Nice.
Yeah, it's been so long.
Yes.
I really also thank Sampath for having this arranged.
Yes, and thanks to you both for attending and making time for us. Ma'am and sir.
No.
Thank you. No.
Hello, sir.
Join. We are also nice. We are very happy to see the students. Yes.
Sir, where are you now?
Now I am in Delhi. I actually changed in 2010 to Fiji Coaching Institute is there, no? I see.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
It must be a lot more fast-paced, right?
We have to start with call.
Good evening. Namaste.
Yeah, Dilip.
Yes, you are audible. Yes, you are audible.
Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
బాగున్నారా?
Now, I can identify, but the other one I could not recognize. Who is that?
Shaktikant. Shaktikant, he kept camera little close, I think. That's why he's looking.
Close up.
Yeah.
Hey, I think Samarth is trying to join.
Yes.
Could not
I don't
see
know.
video.
Yeah, I think he turned off the video.
Yeah, Kalyan has also joined.
Yeah, we have Kalyan, we also have Sai. He joined the call.
Yeah. So Pinan and Sai, guys, enable your videos.
Video.
I
You have to
think
turn
they're
on the
still in the
video.
process of joining. Yeah. Sampath, you have already let them in, right?
Yes.
Driving just okay. So Samarth has just messaged that he will be joining in 5 minutes.
In 5 minutes, yeah.
Hi Sai.
Hi, Subhashish.
We have Sai. We also got Anupam. We
Yes,
also got
Sai.
Jaswant.
Nice.
Yaswant is also joining.
Yes.
Hello, Prasad sir.
Hey, how are you?
Good sir, how are you?
Fine.
His name is also Suprasad sir.
Now we are getting
Yeah.
butter chicken, madam, guys.
Mm,
We are getting butter chicken, madam, now.
yes.
Okay.
Wow. Great.
Hey, Jaswant, you are on mute. Jaswant, you are on mute.
Hello.
Madam
Yes,
joined. I
hello.
think audio
Oi,
and
just
video
one.
turned off.
Hi Anupam.
Hello, good evening. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sirs.
Oi, ఇది Anupam.
Yes, sir.
I think Bhattacharya madam is still on mute.
Yes. I think audio also. Yeah. Also video is she turned off. I think.
Yeah. Let's give her a minute. She must just be joining.
Yeah. Else I'll call her.
That's what it is. Subhashish, your name is reflecting a Sanvi. May I know?
Madam, namaste. Madam, namaste. We got butter chicken, madam.
Namaste, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening, ma'am.
I'm good evening.
Madam, we are able to hear you.
Yes, ma'am. We are able to hear you.
able to see.
You were able to see her actually. No, we are able to see her.
You able to see her? You know?
Yes, I'm able to see her.
No, we can see it. Yes. Yes,
Sir,
Samarth
this is-
has joined, I think.
Yes, yes. Yeah,
Yeah, Bhattacharya is on mute actually. That's why.
yeah.
Yeah.
Sharda madam,
Sharda
namaste.
madam, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening, Sharda madam.
Yes.
Good evening, Sharda ma'am.
Thank
Now
you.
we get
Good
one
evening,
important-
madam.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Sharda madam. Namaste, madam.
I
Good
think,
evening,
I
namaste.
think we also have Vandana madam, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
No, Priyanka.
Ma'am is
actually.
joining now.
Hi Priyanka.
Hey, Priyanka.
Hi, Priyanka.
How are you, Priyanka?
Priyanka, I think your audio is not loud enough. Check your
Believe,
mic.
Hello, ma'am.
is it Subhashish?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, it's me here.
Madam, in this call, as of now,
So it's
We have
it's
Archana.
coming at Sanvi because that's my daughter's name. I'm using my
Oh,
daughter's device
okay.
to join into the Zoom
Okay.
call.
and
Nice.
this call, as of now, we have Archana, we have Shubhashish, we have Prasad sir, we have Lata madam, Kalyan, Shaktikant, Sai, Anupam, Dilip, Priyanka, Jaswant, Sharda madam, and Bhattacharya madam.
Yeah.
Samarth also is.
Yeah, Samarth is not visible, so I didn't take his name actually.
Okay.
Yeah, now we got it. Now we got it.
Now he got it.
Now we got it.
Sir, good evening.
Good evening.
I'm good, sir. Good evening. Good evening, sir.
After a long time.
Hello,
Madam, ma'am, namaste.
Madam, namaste.
Namaste, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening.
Lata, ma'am. Good evening.
Mm.
Good
We are
evening.
very happy and so we are very grateful that you all are with us. You can't have
Yes.
more
Yeah.
teachers.
Yeah, rest will join slowly.
Yes.
We are joining.
Yes.
Number.
So meanwhile, I'll just tell a small, like fun fact.
Sure,
So in
sure.
this group, Kalyan's daughter's name, my daughter's name, and Samarth's daughter's name. All our daughters' name are Sanvi.
Sunny, okay. Something common.
Package.
So,
Complete package.
yeah, is there any reason or it's just a coincidence?
I think no, we had made a promise to each other that if we'll have daughters, we'll name them Sanvi.
Nice.
Your partners accepted. That's great.
Yeah, that's fun. Friendship bond.
Nice. That's nice.
Bhattacharya madam, how are you madam and where are you now?
Fine, I am at Calcutta.
Okay.
Hello.
Very good to see you actually.
Hello.
Yes, madam, you are audible. You are audible. Yes.
You're audible, ma'am.
I feel great.
After
All
so
my-
many years, yes, ma'am.
We are very honored to be here actually ma'am, with you all after so many years. After 21 years.
We are also very happy that you are remembering us
Yes,
till
I know,
now.
yes.
Ma'am, how could I forget madam? We are here because of you. We are here because of you.
No. What you are
Absolutely, ma'am.
Only 30%. Sampath.
Yeah.
Our contribution is only 30%.
only.
Still we are happy
That is the
madam.
important percent,
Still
ma'am.
it's fine.
That is the
You
main
are the-
percentage, ma'am.
But now that I have to,
Thanks to Sampath ma'am, he took this initiative.
Thanks to Sampath to make it.
Actually,
He took this initiative and he's done.
Yes.
Sampath has made it, ma'am. Yes, actually.
No, actually, he was planning from last 2 months, but luckily
Yes.
today we
Yes.
finally.
Welcome back.
very happy.
So actually, just now Patel madam had tested me that she can't join the call because she's in travel.
Okay.
that's all right.
All changed except Dilip.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
No, actually, madam, actually, so because of it, you some cases after so many years, like Priyanka, like Archana, never met them, but we not seen their faces. So now we're getting our ex principal Muti sir. Hi,
Modi sir,
Mr.
Modi sir.
Good evening, sir. Sir, namaste.
Sir, namaste. Sir, namaste.
How are you, sir?
Fine.
Sir, good evening.
Very good evening. Very happy to see all of you.
Very happy to see you, sir.
Good evening, Murthy sir. To see you.
Great to see you, sir.
God, how are you?
We are doing good, sir.
Sir, Mukti sir, good evening.
Very good
Madam,
evening.
Madam,
Very
dear.
good evening.
Mukti sir, namaste.
Namaste, namaste. Very happy to see all after a long time.
We are also happy to see you also, sir.
Namaste, madam.
How are you? Fine, sir.
Okay, madam. Fine.
Okay.
Tamanna is also
Sir,
joining.
you are
Yeah.
a true teacher with a pen in hand.
Yes.
We are
Always.
always with the pen in hand.
Always. Pen stuck with the twister.
Ma'am, pen in one and duster in another. Shakti was the target always.
Hats off to all the teachers who had to literally deal with a batch like ours.
Yeah. True.
Actually, in all aspects, I guess.
Your batches are very good. We are dealing with greater batches nowadays. Dinesh must be having the experience.
Yeah, I'm having the same experience right now.
Very good batches you people were.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Truly, we all remember you people so much. Those batches were so good. We always say this.
Madam, even we remember you. We don't forget.
Remember you, ma'am.
Whenever we have a chat, we discuss about you also.
Thank you. Thank you.
Arindam is nothing but
Yeah, Arindam is Tamanna.
Tamanna. Yeah.
Tamanna.
Okay, that's why they are not able to.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Oh,
No, she was in our 11th and 12th, sir.
okay,
She joined
okay.
in class 11th.
Right.
In our same batch.
Yes.
So actually, Mickey, I think you prepared something which I told you yesterday.
Yes. So thank you for putting me on the spot. And Sampath had asked me to prepare a poem. I tried my best, but I realized that I have lost all my abilities.
No, don't feel like that.
Take it all. He will take it all. Don't worry about that.
No, I mean, I mean, I would be able to recite the poem, but definitely I would like to share a few memories that I have of the school and what I feel about that now. So
Yes, that is the purpose of this meeting. Only.
I mean,
One small thing I want to say was because the meeting is only 40 minutes. Once after 40 minutes, you have to join the same link once again. Just request.
I know. Yes. Because that
Sure.
will get disconnected. Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah, Mickey, carry on.
Yes.
so it's been a long time. I mean, I've been out of home after 10th. So 11th, 12th, I was outside, and then engineering, and then the job and everything. So now when I look back, I realize that I was like very, very fortunate to be born and brought up in a place like JK4, and to have the opportunity to be able to study in a school which had a very, very protective atmosphere. I think that is something I could not realize when I was in school because I wasn't mature enough. But when I came out, that sense of security that the teachers provided and that assurance that it's all right. I mean, even if we falter, there is always a next try. That assurance with the teacher provided. And I mean, now when I look back, I understand the sheer sincerity with which each
Sir, we
one of our
got-
teachers came
one
and
second,
gave
guys.
us
Madam.
We got Rekha madam on the call. Rekha madam, namaste.
Rekha
Hello.
ma'am,
She's
namaste.
connected.
I'm Namaste.
She's getting connected.
Yeah, she's sent audio.
So yeah, I mean, that is quite like
Mhm.
now it is very memorable for me, and I mean that is largely plays a big part in all of my decision making even now. So I mean that is something that I'll always be indebted to each and every one of my teachers in the school. And also, I mean, there were so many fun aspects. Our cultural programs were so good. And again, as I said, I always felt secure within the school. That is what we could only realize when we came out. When I came out, went to a bigger city, and I saw thousands of students, and I mean, no one recognized who Subhashish was, even when they spoke to me once and then they forgot. So that is something which was very significant for me. And today it is like, I regret of not getting in touch with all my teachers for all these years, but today I'm like really happy and had this opportunity. So yeah,
We
thanks a lot.
remember each and every student, right?
Archana, you want to say something? Archana.
रोल नंबर वाइज चलो शुरू हो जाता है.
So yes,
So Sampath never had the opportunity to become a class monitor, right? So now
So-
it is his
Sampath
time.
will,
He's leading,
Sampath
he's
will
leading.
remember. Sampath will
who
remember
was
the
roll
numbers
number
also.
1, by the way? I was trying to recollect.
It's me, Anupam.
Anupam. Let's start
Anupam,
from
Anupam,
Anupam. Yes, Anupam. And then I'll follow.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, Anupam.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello, mom and sirs, teachers. It's very great opportunity. After so many years, I could see you due to Sampath. Thank you, Sampath, very much. And I don't have
Where
words,
are
ma'am.
you?
I'm just looking out the videos.
Mm.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, I am
Where are you?
right now in Gujarat, ma'am.
Okay,
Working in JK paper.
right. Okay.
Previously, I was in Karnataka. And, regarding my family, I have a daughter, and recently I had just a boy.
Good. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. I was really excited actually to see Patel ma'am and Bhattacharya madam after so long years, but Patel ma'am couldn't join.
Sanjay was just telling me that she's outside, so she also can't join the call.
Yeah.
Next
Okay,
one,
Archana, you can continue.
Archana.
Yes, that's me. Well, I mean, to be honest, I was looking forward for this meeting. The last meeting I missed, and I had made sure that I have to be a part of this meeting. Very excited. I get the updates about all the teachers from my mother. My mother is the one who is in touch with Lata ma'am, Sandhya ma'am, and she keeps me informed about all the teachers. But I'm really happy to see you all today. Now, about me in Dubai for the past 14 years. Happily married with a daughter. She's in 7th grade. Enjoying what I'm doing. Working as a food safety manager in one of the hotels here. That's about it.
Archana, do you still sprint as fast as you used to?
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, you figure out, right? The way I was tuck. It's still the same. Still the same.
Not much change in you either.
You
Good.
did. Okay.
Where are you now?
I'm in Dubai, sir.
Acha, okay, fine. Right.
Yes.
Archana still looks very same. She hasn't changed a bit, actually.
You too, both
of you.
No, actually, Archana and Priyanka both are same.
Both of you.
Correct.
Even
But you
Priyanka, I
are
will.
ageless.
Even I can't see one single white hair in your hairs actually.
तुम क्या देख
I do have a lot.
Fine. Next, Shaktikant.
Yes, yes.
हाँ तू ही है Your turn.
Yeah.
I'm the one after this.
You are the one after.
Okay.
Carry on.
Who?
Shaktikant.
Shaktikant.
First of all, I don't know. Again, I'm also running short of words. I just want to say we are here because of you guys. I mean, the teachers. You have enabled us to be here. I mean, without you, you have laid the foundation of what we are, where we are here today, right? And it's really honored to see all of you after so many years. I think the last time I spoke was with only Murthy sir. That way, I think when Kalyan was in JK and he got me passed to Murthy sir. So I got a chance to speak to him. I have been in Bangalore, I think from 2001 now. It's been 19 years. In between, I was away for 4 years out of India, but right now back to Bangalore again. Yep, that's all about me, and I'm really happy to see all my classmates along with the teachers. It feels like we are back to JK now. And that it was not a school actually. It was not a school for me ever. Because if you see the schools today and you compare our school, it was more of a home for us. Right? So we had n number of memorable days. We have spent together, we have fought, we have played, we have done everything. And again, thanks to all of you who have enabled us to reach where we are right now. Without you guys, I think it was impossible.
What about your family?
It's me and my wife right now, sir. We are both in Bangalore.
Yes. How are your parents?
They are doing good, sir. They are in Lanjigad, which is close to Raigada.
Yes, I know.
Your elder brother?
Elder brother was in Qatar for 2 years. Then he quit his job and he moved to Orissa. Now he's working in a company in Parampur itself.
Okay.
Nice to hear.
Next, Kalyan.
Yeah, sure. Good evening, everyone. Please accept my heartfelt regards to all my teachers and to all my classmates. And as most of you know, ma'am, I have been serving in the Indian Army since last 15 years. I was commissioned in 2007. Right now, am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah, audible.
Yes, you are audible. You are audible.
Ma'am, there is some network issues where I am presently now. Ma'am, presently I am posted somewhere near Bhutan, and I'm happily married. I have an 8-year-old daughter, like Mickey already brought out, Sanvi. I was the first father of Sanvi. Second was Mickey. And
Can be more specific.
yeah. More specific. And with 3, I have already taken an oath for a second one. So
Breaking news.
Yeah. And like everyone brought out, ma'am, it's a very evident fact that without you, ma'am, whatever we are today won't be possible. And let me tell you, the upbringing and the foundation which we have built at JK in that small school with all the guidance and affection has paid dividends in everyone's life, ma'am. And today, if we are sitting together and talking, it shows how much we cherish this relationship. And I always look forward to meet everyone, ma'am. I'll be honored, ma'am, if anyone, like right now, the closest to me is, I think, Bhattacharya, ma'am. I am also in West Bengal. So it would be an honor, ma'am, if someone would please be my guest. And we all are making a complete endeavor to arrange a reunion of a batch. And let's see, ma'am, when it is possible. And thank you so much for everything, ma'am.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Next, Priyanka.
it's really so good to see all the teachers, all sir, madam, everyone, and of course all my classmates after such a long time. And as everyone said, that the teachers have actually laid a foundation on which we are just getting stronger every day. And when I look around, I really feel that we were a part of very, very good school. Though it was in a very small place, but it was really a good school, and we really had good teachers like you. And yeah, I don't know what else to say, but it's really good to meet all of you and see all of you. And coming to me, I and my husband, we are put up in Noida right now.
Where are you in Noida? Which sector?
Sector, okay, I am in sector 78.
Okay.
Have you been to Noida, sir?
No, I am in Noida only right now, 135 sector.
Oh! So, in which society? 135?
Today Homes Ridge Residency. It is actually nearer to my son's Accenture office. That's why we have taken a house here.
Okay, yes, we have an Accenture office there. Yes.
Yes. Sector 135, that is.
Okay, yeah, it's quite close actually too.
Right. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. We'll see. We'll plan it.
Yeah.
Yes.
So since when are you in Noida?
Just 3 months back. Till now, I was in West Delhi. Recently, we shifted here. 3 months back, just.
Okay, you were staying in Delhi. Okay.
Nice.
See, now you know.
Yes. Now next is Murthy sir.
She was
Yes. Yes.
Simon, mute sir. Yes, now we unmute.
Yes, Murthy sir.
Sir, we are waiting.
ಹೇಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ఒక 5 నిమిషాలు ప్లీజ్ ఒక 5 నిమిషాలు
half an hour only.
ప్లీజ్ అలాగే చేద్దాం టీవీ అంటున్నా కదా అక్కడ ఉండకూడదు ఒక 10 నిమిషాలు మీటింగ్ 10 నిమిషాలు ఏంటి మీకు
Dilip, where are you?
Ma'am is in the most happening place in India.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, Dilip, carry on. I think Murthy sir is busy with his wife.
Always interrupt our classes.
Sampath, again refine your words.
What is it? Vijay was he's going talking to us. What is it? Go on.
Yeah,
Go on, Dilip.
Namaste to all the teachers. A very good evening to all of you. After completing my class 12 from our school, I have done my graduation from Andhra University, and after that I have done my masters in organic chemistry from Vellore Institute of Technology. And after passing out from there, I worked in Indian Institute of Chemical Technology as a research associate for 2 years, and I have enrolled myself in IIT JEE teaching. So from past 12 years, I have been training students for IIT JEE as well as medical entrance examination. Right now, I'm working for Aryan Study Circle and Mustifund Aryan Higher Secondary School in Goa. And as a part-time also, I'm working for Vedantu. From last 3 years, I'm working for Vedantu also. So that's also from my side. My brother is also working in, he is also training students for IIT medical. He is working for Akash. Right now, he is in Bangalore.
Okay.
So Dilip, you are saying something like interview.
Like academically speaking, Dilip is the most accomplished in our group.
Yeah, he sounds very impressive. Very impressive.
No, not at all. Not at all. I'm habituated more or less speaking to students every day, so I'm back to
Good one. Next, Lata madam.
So nice. All the teachers, actually the true motivation to be a teacher from you teachers only. Every other day, definitely I'll be taking as an example of Lata ma'am or Murthy sir, Sharada ma'am, even our Seva Prasad sir, where he used to teach us chemistry in lower classes. And in 11th and 12th, of course, Raut sir has taught us chemistry. But definitely, we remember all the teachers. So nice to see all the teachers. So we will make sure that we will meet all of you very soon. Once this pandemic is over, we are planning to have a get together in JKpur only. So then definitely we will make sure that we will meet all of you.
Who are available there?
Yes. You should now visit our school actually.
Yeah.
Soon we'll be having for our school.
You meeting,
Is it, ma'am? Okay. Sure. We'll plan, ma'am. Definitely we'll plan. So because right now our family, entire my mother and father also completed from JKpur. Right now they are staying in Visakhapatnam. Now traveling to JKpur is like very much limited. Even my uncle, my parents, my uncle was also staying over there. Recently they have also shifted.
I think JK, we have very less people. I mean, except some few teachers. We don't think any vehicles are very anyone there. If I'm not wrong.
Friends want to ask.
Lata ma'am, you're still working over there only, no ma'am? You're still there in JKpur?
Yeah, sure. Yes, I'm working there only.
I think now she's one of the senior teachers.
Where is he now?
Yes.
Where is Shinu, ma'am? Your son?
He is in US.
US, okay. I think he has completed his BTech from BITS Goa, right? If I'm...
Yeah. Yes. He did from BITS and then he did his MS at from New York. Now he is in California. Yeah, he's working for Google.
Wow. Congratulations, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Madam, how is PD sir, madam? Remember him?
Where is PD sir? How come we miss PD sir today?
TV sir.
He's there nearby.
PD sir, madam. PD sir.
Yeah.
PD sir, okay.
Next, Sai.
First side.
Yeah. Hello, madam. Good evening to all sirs and madams here who are present today. And it's a great privilege to see all of you together today. And to be honest, madam, every day, I'm staying in Hyderabad for the past 15 years, and I'm blessed with a son who is 9 years old, and a daughter who is just turning 3 now, next month. So there has not been one day gone, to be honest, wherein I don't, it's not that I don't remember my school at all. Every day I tell him that, our school was the best, because I've changed his schools, like 2 or 3 schools in Hyderabad till now. But, I have felt that LPS Public School was the best school that I could find in not only India, I can say. I can take in the whole world. Say. Even though it was in a very remote place, but to be honest, that was the best school. And because the kind of activities that we were doing there, the spiritual, the cultural activities, and especially the sports, because nowadays I hardly find any schools wherein we have any sports activities at all. And we were on the top during our school days.
Bunking the classes.
So it's been. Sorry, Anupam?
Bunking the classes. You mean?
Yeah. That's there. Anyways, but no, it was not total bunking here. It was like a mix of both.
So we are getting now Geeta Panna madam.
Geeta Panna madam.
She's joining.
So it's a great privilege to see all the teachers who have motivated us till date, and they keep continuously motivating us throughout. our life, and all my friends whom we are already constantly in touch. Wish we could meet everyone in a stage together sometime very soon. So I can't say anything more.
Namaste, Gita madam, namaste.
Thank you.
Good evening, madam. Good evening, madam.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, Gita madam.
Good evening.
Gita madam, namaste.
How are you?
We are good, madam. How about you?
ठीक है संपत कैसा है?
मैं ठीक हूँ मैडम, बिंदास। आप कैसे हैं?
Sampath Fancy Store is always with us.
Dilip, huh?
Nice to see you, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Hello, Gita madam. Good
ठीक है
evening.
दिलीप.
Yeah,
Good
fine,
evening.
ma'am. Super. Yeah, doing good. With all your blessings.
It will be always.
Madam and sirs and our friends, we have only 3 minutes left. One second, please join the call. 1 second, please, automatically.
Of course, no problem.
Of course,
Yes.
sure.
Gita madam, you are not changed at all. You look the same.
Thank you.
Also, when she has left our school, I think when we were in class 4th, the same right now she has not changed at all.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Exactly.
don't say like this.
Yeah, we remember the telling the answers in the exams, right?
Yeah.
Which one?
Bit questions.
Satya madam was very strict actually. When we had exams, even she come to class gone. We can't even see, but turn her head.
Tamanna.
Everybody should say that Latana should not be in our class.
Yes, exactly.
Yes. Tamanna is there, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Everyone is there.
Okay,
Archana,
Tamanna.
Priyanka, Tamanna. All of them.
All are
Madam,
there.
ma'am, we have
Join now.
Subhash,
Sunil,
we have
good evening,
Archana, we have Kalyan,
Good evening, Acha.
we have Priyanka,
Hi, hi, Sunil.
Sai.
Sunil.
Hi, sir. Hi, madam.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Sorry, all again late today.
That's okay. You always a late comer, Sunil. Same thing now also.
Not
I'm
in
a late
school
comer.
at least.
I am also.
Not to school.
No, Vinan was very late. He was sitting very far from
Hi,
our
Lata.
school.
Yeah, he was actually.
Hey, but I have children. Bye, everyone. God bless you all. I have a school meeting.
Yes,
Okay.
keep on madam.
Thank you, madam. Nice talking.
Thank you a lot.
Thank you, ma'am, for joining, madam.
Thank you for joining.
Hi, Mickey.
Yes,
God
ma'am.
bless you all.
We are getting now.
Hi.
Hello, ma'am.
Guys, we are getting now Dikla madam. Dikla madam on the call.
Well,
Dikla madam is
ଆପଣ
coming.
କେତେ ଅଛନ୍ତି?
ଭଲ ଅଛି ବେଟା।
Bye,
Dikla madam join the
everyone.
call.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye madam.
Hi, Lata.
Bye.
Dikla madam, she's connecting. I think by the time she'll join, I think our 1 minute complete. We have only 1 minute left.
Right.
I see.
I see.
Yes, Sampath, who's in the line next?
Have the next call. I mean, after this, once someone will join, because we hardly have 1 minute. The call will end now. Actually.
So I think it's better.
Yeah.
Yes.
Diploma is joining, but I think by the time she'll join, our call will end.
Okay.
Maybe some network issues.
Yes.
So please join again, guys. Same link.
क्या अभी?
आ रहे हैं, wait कर रहे हैं. We also got sir.
Yes.
All are joining one after that. Take some time, right?
Right.
Yeah.
So where you were staying in Delhi?
Noida. Sector
No,
1.
earlier you were in Delhi, right?
Yes.
Where exactly?
Noida sector 135.
No. In Delhi, where you were staying?
No. Delhi we were staying. Right now we shifted to Noida.
Okay. In Delhi, where were you staying?
Actually, I was staying in West Delhi, Punjabi Bagh.
Okay. because I used to travel to Delhi at least twice a year.
Okay, okay.
So only this year I couldn't because of this situation, but I used to travel.
Yes, yes. We were also there in Rayagada for last 4 months. 3 months
I see.
back only we
Okay.
returned from there. Yes.
Okay.
Dikla madam's video is on mute.
No, no. Audio is mute. How can video be mute?
Arey,
मैं समझ नहीं आ रहे.
Sampath.
You know Sampath's emotions, right?
Yeah. Madam,
overflowing voice,
we are getting our one of
overflowing in audio and video mode.
हाँ नमस्ते बेटा अनुपम
Yeah, madam. Namaste, ma'am.
हाँ बुझली ଏବେ ଜାଣିପାରିଲି ତୁ ଅନୁପମ ତୋର ତ ବାଳ କୁଆଡେ ଗଲା
Madam, lockdown hairstyle.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ତ ବହୁତ ବଢିଆ ଥିଲା
ଲକଡାଉନ ରେ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ବାଳ ବଢେ ଆର ବାଳ ଘଷିଗଲା.
Gita madam, where are you currently?
I am in Sambalpur बेटा
Sambalpur, okay.
Sambalpur Odisha
Orissa, yes.
remember
Got
that
it.
do you
Yes,
remember that program what we did
Yes,
Ramayana
yes.
or something continue
Madam, hey, DC has joined us, DC.
Hey, DC Kiran. Hey everyone.
DC, hi.
Hey.
Hi, Kiran.
Hi.
Hey. DC is currently witnessing IPL.
Yes.
Sitting at home. Yeah.
That's why he joined later. I think first match is done. Geeta madam, you used to be the main one for our dramas and all.
yes
Curriculum activities.
Ma'am, good evening. Geeta ma'am, good evening.
good evening who are you मुझे दिखा तो
Ma'am. Kalyan ma'am.
कल्याण.
लौटी दिखा hi
Patnaik,
Ma'am.
Captain Patnaik. Captain Patnaik.
Patnaik babu.
Ma'am, how are you?
बेटा फाइन तू तो सेमती होଛୁ बेटा तो छुआ कोडे गला सानवी वेरी
Anvi, ma'am, ma'am, actually I'm presently on home quarantine. I couldn't meet my family now.
oh you are in Raigada
No, I had come to Rayagada, ma'am, but I came back to. Yes, ma'am. I had come to Rayagada, but now I've joined back, so I'm in home quarantine, and I'll be joining family after a week, ma'am.
okay Simran how is Simran
He's also, she's fine, ma'am. Both are there only.
okay once I talked with Simran you were in
Yes, ma'am.
she was in Sikkim
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sikkim. How is Bunty, ma'am?
position of Bunty is okay
Okay.
we'll talk to you I'll say हाँ बहुत बढ़िया लगता है कल्याण
Where is your son now, Geeta madam?
my son is in Sambalpur both are there here
Okay, great.
Okay.
home work from home the younger one is doing and elder one has left Bangalore okay so he has come and joined here
I see.
Okay. Nice.
and your family Sai
Mine? Yeah, I'm in Hyderabad, madam. I have a son 9 years old and a daughter 3 years old. So my son is studying 3rd standard.
time is passing like anything now
Yes.
Prasad sir huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Prasad
That
sir.
time we are
enjoying
meeting
nowadays.
because yes, madam. So nice.
we are meeting nowadays
Really seeing all these students in such a nice places and nice positions. It's really giving lot of happiness. Being our students, we are all lucky, to have these students. Yes.
We are feeling as if we have so many children of our own.
yes
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, yes, madam, obviously.
Thank you.
Prasad sir, where are you sir now? Prasad sir?
Yes,
Noida.
I am in Noida right now.
Sector 135.
I am working in Fiji, but nowadays work from home, no? So
Yeah,
I am
sir, yeah.
here.
So which subject are you teaching sir?
Chemistry up to 10th class.
Okay.
He is also chemist actually. Specialist, IIT.
Nice to know that sir.
वो chemistry नहीं
So Dilip, if you still have doubts, how to teach students?
No. Now he will teach me. How I cannot teach him. He don't. I have to ask him.
No, sir. No, not at all. Not at all, sir. No, I thought, sir, you were teaching mathematics.
No.
But physics, you're doing physics, na, Mr. Sir?
Yes, madam. I was thought of doing, but I did not do. It is only foundation course, no? So they gave me chemistry by seeing that I was doing well. That's
Yes, sir. Good.
No, ma'am, in our school days also, sir taught us chemistry. I remember that.
Maths and
Sir
chemistry.
taught us.
Maths.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir was also trying to teach us some programming concepts as well.
Yeah, see,
computer,
yes.
yes.
Computers.
And that was like way back.
I only remember in 7th class I taught you maths. That much I remember. Other classes I don't.
Yes. In 7th class, you taught us maths. Sir.
Class 6, I think you were teaching us computers. I remember that.
Computer science.
Big white color boxes.
Before the computer, and everybody used to wait for the I remember that. And by the time we reached 10th, I guess we had at least 3 to 4 systems. 3 to 4 computers we had.
Yes,
yes,
but
I was the one
initially there
actually.
was one.
Yeah.
Only one computer. Everyone.
Sir, by the
Black
way, where
and
is Swami, sir? Where is Swami, sir?
Swami sir is in public school only. He is the now head of the department. Computers are expanded, no? They introduced artificial intelligence also this year. So
Wow.
Great.
AI. Nice.
and students are doing extraordinary in computer science actually in our school compared to other
Okay.
subjects.
So coding also will be introduced, no? Coding.
Maybe, madam. Maybe. Let's see. I don't know.
Government is planning for that, no?
Yeah.
Watching
Sir,
some
madam,
mathematics,
ఎక్కడున్నారు మీరు శారదా మ్యామ్
Are you asking me? We are in Rajahmundry, Andhra. Uncle retired last year, and we
Okay.
settled in AP in Andhra.
which place ma'am?
How is Mrudula, ma'am?
Rajahmundry.
Rajahmundry.
Rajahmundry, okay.
Ma'am, how is Mrudula?
Mridula is in Mumbai. Tejasvi is also in Mumbai.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Tejasvi is in Star Sports. Mridula in Productivity.
Still remember Tejasvi, ma'am, when there was this quiz competition going on in that CCA hall, and he used to answer before the question comes.
All the reason you tell me.
He was really, ma'am. He was really a mathematics prodigy. He was a great inspiration to me, ma'am. Really, ma'am.
Thank you, beta. Thank you. It's all God's blessings. You were telling
Very
me you were
important.
in secured society in JK school, no? That I sensed in 1986 itself. When uncle brought us in 86, Tejasvi was just 4 years old. He studied already LKG in Andhra Pradesh. Though he was a 3-year-old kid, the military discipline he experienced and parents also we experienced, I was so shocked. Though we were basic Andhrites, that school in Nellore, I didn't like it. A 3 years old kid, what does he know about discipline and all? Forget about studies. Studies is on compulsion for 3-year-old kid. So I brought him to JK school and put him in UKG, and I felt we have come to heaven.
Yes.
Yes, madam. That is, totally agree. Yes, ma'am.
And the way the kids were taught in Sridevi was the UKG teacher that time. She was playing, jumping along with the kids. I felt I was just 26 years old that time. I felt we have come to heaven. Heaven on earth.
Wow, great story, madam.
Really, from the bottom of my heart, I feel that I enjoyed my life. 20 years of my life went very peaceful, and I am thankful to the JK Public School, which found a teacher in me. Otherwise, I was a housewife. I never thought I will be working. I never thought. So JK School made me a teacher.
Not
Same
only
for
teacher,
everyone.
good, very good
Same
teacher.
for everyone.
Very
good
effective teacher.
One of the best teachers.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so many
Really blessed to have you.
I also the same. My TA also like that. JK made my family happy, and I'm happy with my all students and my family. Until from there, I just last year I retired as the principal of a high school, English medium, West Bengal board. Came from there to there.
Sheila, can you
And
explain,
that
madam?
is because of JK.
That's the
Yes,
thought.
because of you all students, good wishes. So I am thankful to JK only. Till now we are always talking about the JK.
Yes,
So
the
many
life in
people
JK was
coming
quite
across,
different.
We also, ma'am.
children
Whenever
I think every one of us will definitely feel the same, sir.
children
Yes,
who are
yes.
educated
Yes,
from
JK
JK
members.
board, they are both the way they are educated. They are not their life is settled, and they are mentally they are student, and mentally their goal was they are something they are made. Not like now we are seeing the student who has no goal, nothing, but all
Earlier
training, all
helping
types of
nature we
training.
found.
JK Put is all training, physical, educational, even everything they used to get.
Yes, ma'am. I
Main
agree
thing
with
was how to live
Yes,
in
madam.
society.
you. Yes.
How
Yes,
to live
madam.
in
That too.
society.
We are like
What
a
social
family.
life we get in JK Pur, we
Yes.
won't get anywhere else.
Anywhere
So
else.
peaceful place actually.
Till now we are not feeling that yet.
Yes, yes.
Back. Whatever we have made, how we lead our life there.
That is the reason actually we are enjoying this meeting a lot. This is the main reason
Yeah,
that
yeah.
what we miss the social life in JK Pur. By this
JK.
meeting actually we are getting back that one. Yes,
Oh, where we will get?
yes, nowhere.
See, and
I think
also the
those who are not their students, are you getting Mickey there?
So we are
Mickey, are you getting that
thanks
type of
to
life?
God that we are JK.
Only money, that's it. For Mickey.
Yeah,
the other
So
bit,
not life and
yeah, the other bit was our teachers.
Such a
They were
nice
actually from different
atmosphere.
states.
You never will get that much.
We have
of
mixed culture over there.
No,
That's
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
The feeling about
yeah.
which the Sadhu madam says.
All the students and proceed forward, go forward. Upgraded, they made only. Their atmosphere made the students upgrade.
students were very less na Bodhi.
Ah.
So we're remembering the names, family,
Yeah,
people, all we're knowing.
Now in one class, 60 students, 70 students batch. We don't know what it is. In a single apartment, they'll have a school. No playground, no culture activities, no HPW, nothing.
First of all, they don't have any gratitude for
The
their
amount of freedom you enjoyed, that
Yes.
matters.
25 years ago, we were getting everything what they are not getting now. The students.
now.
Correct, madam. Exactly. Very true.
Yeah. We were happy, ma'am. Everybody was happy over there.
That is why Shakuntala Devi did not go to school. Shakuntala Devi did not go to school.
Just on that note, Sampath,
I don't know about the JK now, what position they are, what the educational environment, I don't know. But who are staying at JK, they can say that till now that is there. The family atmosphere, that nowhere you can get that.
Right?
We have only, I think, Raju of our
Raju
batch.
is still there. Yeah, Raju is there. MV Raju.
MB Raju.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, MV Raju is still there, I guess.
He's there, he's there.
He's staying at JK.
Yes, madam. Yes,
Yeah,
JK.
he's there in JK.
Actually, so he's working in JK Pap Mill only.
Yeah, he's working for JK Paper Mills.
Correct.
Kids are there?
I think two.
They are reading. Huh?
I think so. There are two kids for him.
They are reading.
Obviously.
They come in school.
Obviously.
Yes. And see, they are children who shine like you only.
That's for sure. No, earlier at our time, we had fees of hardly 100, 120 rupees fees per month. Now in lakhs.
Yes.
And it's a proper study. Earlier studies were very good actually. We used to learn cultural activities, sport activities, our what is it called? We used to have one period called computer, one GK period, last 2 periods always you have. No, nothing. And we used now in India we have a single, maybe in Hyderabad, I'm staying in Hyderabad now. We have a single apartment in school, no playground, nothing. Nothing will happen. I will no morning prayers also. Nothing. Totally changed.
And in fact, we were very lucky enough that by the time we completed class 10th, immediately class 11th and 12th plus 2 science was
All-round
started.
development, they are not seeing the all-round development.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, but central schools they are having. Kendriya Vidyalayas, no? Kendriya Vidyalayas. They are having.
But everybody cannot
I walked there
get
for
the
2
seat
years,
there,
you
no,
know?
madam.
Yeah, everybody can't go there.
Everybody can't go there. I work there as contractual teacher. But very nicely
Yeah.
there. All the
They
things you will
follow.
get there.
Yes, yes.
Kendriya Vidyalaya has reservations for central government employees.
Yes, yes.
Yes, and plus they are giving also chairman quota. All this
Sai
thing they
Babu
are
sir
giving.
is in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Visakhapatnam.
Yes, sir.
He says they were, teachers also work a lot. He work a lot. Is there.
बहुत काम करते हैं. Too
Yes,
much
yes.
they work, sir.
Yes.
And they are getting also, but still they are working much.
Ah,
I have no
Seeing
idea
that.
about children. Now my granddaughter.
Work culture is
Yes.
LSA. JK organization. My granddaughter is
Lakshmipal Singhania.
Singhani Academy, Calcutta में.
Lakshmipal Singhania Academy.
Okay, wow.
But no
Very nice,
playground.
madam.
No playgrounds. Only one wing.
No playground.
Same,
No
madam.
playground.
Single apartment.
No, madam. They have a playground, but that will be within the building only. We visited, no, for that.
Bandhana
we
and
visited.
visited.
Lata madam, myself. and-
Conditioned. So many
Ah, yes.
17,000, 7,000 how many students? Then you
Yeah.
see the area is that much.
Yes, within
They
the-
cannot develop. The area is not there, na? They cannot buy. Surroundings are not there. So
They develop vertically.
Yeah, that's all.
Sorry, they are going somewhere.
And this is due to lack of space, madam. Earlier we have huge space.
Yes, yes. At
Now less
Calcutta,
space. That's why they are doing
Calcutta
vertically.
is so congested place.
See, it's
They are
not more
not-
of space. It's become commercialized now.
Yeah.
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 Correct.
Right? People want to make money just by having a
Yes,
space.
yes.
I agree.
In cities, education and health both are business organizations. They are nowhere service organizations.
LKG is asking 2 lakhs rupees as
Our
donation only.
JK
Fees extra.
organization, education point of view, they are very good. They are very disciplined. The same way here also, when I am seeing my granddaughter's plan program, I can remember our school. The same way they are also.
Yes.
Same way there.
I
Same
think we
way.
are very less
It
schools
has
actually
improved.
than-
It has improved.
So I became the West Bengal government. In that area, West Bengal Nadia district, I became the first principal who had.
Congrats.
Congrats, madam. Very happy.
Congratulations, madam.
No credit on my own. It is for JK only. Whatever I have learned from my school, I have introduced here.
Applied
That
there.
is a new thing.
Okay.
Here, there, that is new thing. So no credit is not mine. Credit is all
JK.
our LP public.
Sampath, you skipped few students, few of your colleagues, means
Yeah.
classmates. Please
I'll-
complete
yeah,
them.
yeah, I'll complete.
Yeah, Sampath, you please start again.
Yes.
Next Tamanna.
Tamanna.
Yeah, hello ma'am. I was
Hello.
sorry.
क्या हुआ?
Corona.
Are you okay?
नहीं, कोरोना टेस्ट नेगेटिव हो गया.
Tamanna, Corona.
कोरोना टेस्ट कर ली, नेगेटिव है.
Very good.
Good news.
Yeah. I'm in right now. I'm in UK, working here, and I have a 2 years son, and now working as software engineer in RR Infotech. It's local company here, and thank you all for being there. Otherwise, we would not be here. I'm not able to speak.
I think the report you got is wrong report. The other report is wrong.
Sorry.
फिर से टेस्ट ले ले तमन्ना.
नहीं अभी टेस्ट किया था. कल आया, कल रिजल्ट आया.
कल्याण उधर पाउंड में देना पड़ता है टेस्ट के लिए.
नहीं यहाँ पे फ्री है. यूके में मेडिकल फ्री है.
I know.
Just one.
Sunil. Okay. Thank you.
Sunil. Okay.
Hi everyone. Hi ma'am. Hi sir. Sir, I'm working as lead business analyst in our company named as Tech Systems Private Limited, Hyderabad. I'm married. I have married in 2015. I got my wife is an employee of Punjab. She's working as an employee in Punjab National Bank, and we have worked plus with baby 2 years back, and now he's 2 years 6 months.
So I'm sorry to interrupt. We are getting Sadhana on the call. Sadhana.
Yeah, sure.
We can continue once he'll join. And we also getting Patra sir.
Oh wow.
Oh, Patra sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Most awaiting.
Most awaiting physical sir.
Yeah, we got Patra sir.
downtown.
Joining on the way.
कल्याण
समर्थ कहाँ गया?
शक्ति डाउन
कल्याण समर्थ कोणी कसला?
हेलो मैम पूरा
कहाँ?
हेलो
भुवनेश्वर में मिले थे.
आ रहा आवाज आ रहा है.
आ रहा है.
आ रहा जी.
Samarth, you can continue in Sambalpuri. It is looking nice.
Sambalpuri Sadhana will not understand. I will understand.
No, that much we can.
No, I think everybody. JK was this pura in mini India tha ma'am.
Yeah.
Multicultural,
We can understand.
multicultural heritage, everything.
नहीं
Yes.
तो साधना मैम एक बात मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ. अभी जब भी मैं यहाँ पे अपने दोस्तों से मिलता हूँ तो काफी लोग दिल्ली से हैं, पंजाब से हैं, एंड व्हेनेवर दे स्पीक टू मी वो लोग मुझे पूछते हैं कि कहाँ से हो, तो मैं बोलता हूँ उड़ीसा से हूँ. तो वो बोलते हैं पर तुम्हारा एसेंट देखकर लगता नहीं है जब हिंदी में बात करते हो. तो मैं बोलता हूँ ऑल क्रेडिट टू माय टीचर्स साधना मैम, विभा मैम.
संध्या मैडम.
ये लोग प्रॉपर हमारा एसेंट
संध्या मैडम
रखे थे.
वो संधि समाज पढ़ के पूरा हो गया.
Yes, I agree.
समर्थ बहुत ज्यादा टच में भी रहा है, इसी वो भी अंतर है ना समर्थ. अपना पिकनिक जाना, फार्म हाउस जाना,
जी.
बहुत ज्यादा टच में रहे. बहुत मजे करे अपन ने इस बैच ने.
जी मैम जी.
शीरी कैसी है?
श्री बढ़िया मैम. श्री एकदम अच्छी है, बढ़िया है. ये भुवनेश्वर में मैं तो दिस डेज मैं तो अब भुवनेश्वर में हूँ. आधा टाइम दिल्ली रहता हूँ, आधा टाइम भुवनेश्वर. तो फिलहाल तो खैर पैंडेमिक की वजह से भुवनेश्वर में हूँ, और श्री इज ऑल्सो इन भुवनेश्वर.
तो छिया के अंदर अच्छे?
बढ़िया मैम.
लास्ट ईयर मिली थी मैं.
देखी थी मैं.
जी. बेटी अभी 2 साल की हो जाएगी. 28 अक्टूबर, 29 मेरा बर्थडे है, 28 उसका है. I wanted her to be born on my day, I mean 29, but वो एक दिन she wanted to have her own birthday. अब वो 28 फिर तेरे से हो जाता है.
Back celebrations.
तो she हमारे बैच में मैम जी 3 लोग थे.
तुम्हारी यादों के साथ में सबसे बड़ी याद एक आईब्रो की जरूर जुड़ी हुई है. याद आया?
बिल्कुल. मैडम मैं वही कह रहा था. स्कूल में जितनी खुराफाती बदमाशियां की आदत लगी थी एक तो अभी भी गई नहीं है, और क्योंकि उस समय हैंडल कर लिया स्कूल में, तो अभी लाइफ में भी वो सब हैंडल हो जाता है, जितनी भी ये बदमाशियां और सब होती है। तो वो स्कूल का एक बहुत बढ़िया पार्ट था, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बिजनेस में, जब आप बिजनेस में घुसते हैं, 100 तरीके के लोग, 100 तरीके के काम, और वो सारी ट्रेनिंग स्कूल से ही होती है, ऑल द बेसिक जितनी भी ट्रेनिंग्स हैं। तो इस वजह से इट्स बीन अ वंडरफुल थैंक यू। संपत का तो बेस्ट काम किया इसने अपनी जिंदगी का, जो उसने आज ये किया।
अभी तक संपत
मैम
वेरी गुड।
फ्यूचर एमएलए भुवनेश्वर,
इतने अच्छे से बोल
कॉर्पोरेटर
रहा है
मैडम।
ना। सबसे ज्यादा आवाज तो शक्तिकांत की आती थी, शक्तिकांत क्यों, फिर समर्थ की आवाज ही आती। अच्छी बात है, समर्थ इतना फ्री हो चुका है अभी।
अब हम लोग, मैं आप पढ़ा, ये अपनी पिछले 15 सालों में एक नया चीज जो शुरू हुआ वो है कि मैं पढ़ाता हूँ। आई टीच हिस्ट्री, बिकॉज मैं खुद IAS की तैयारी कर रहा था, और क्योंकि जी, तो वो हिस्ट्री मेरा ऑप्शनल था। सिविल सर्विसेज एग्जाम में आपको एक ऑप्शनल चूज करना होता है, तो हिस्ट्री मैंने चूज किया था। यूजुअली इंजीनियर्स या साइंस बैकग्राउंड के स्टूडेंट्स आर्ट्स के सब्जेक्ट ही चूज करते हैं। तो ये 2010-11 का बात है, एंड दैट इज व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड टीचिंग। तो टीचर बनने के बाद और कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट दिल्ली में पढ़ाना, इधर भुवनेश्वर में, बात करने की आदत बहुत लग गई है। दैट इज वन, ये जो आप कह रही है ना कि बात
फ्रीली होके बात कर रहे हो ना, अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे। कि तुम्हारी समझ चेंज तो आना ही है, चेंज तो आना ही है।
और वैसे भी मेरी वाइफ तो वो भी टीचर है, वो दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में है, तो वो और बोलती है मुझसे, तो और मुझे जवाब देना पड़ता है।
तो फाइनली तुम कर क्या रहे हो अभी, ये बताओ।
जी मैम,
मैं कह रही हूँ, फिर अभी तुम कोचिंग सेंटर चला रहे हो या कहीं और हो, वर्क
नहीं
कर रहे हो?
नहीं कोचिंग, जी कोचिंग चल रहा है मैम, दिल्ली में है, भुवनेश्वर में लास्ट ईयर खोला है इनफैक्ट भुवनेश्वर में, और मार्च तक तो क्लासेस चलती थी। टीचर दिल्ली से आते थे यहाँ पढ़ाने, यहाँ गेस्ट हाउस है भुवनेश्वर में। एंड अब क्योंकि पैंडेमिक की वजह से ऐप पे चल रहा है, लेकिन ऐप में वो बात नहीं है मैम जो फिजिकल क्लासरूम में होता है।
वो तो 100% ट्रू।
मैम इसके रेस्टोरेंट भी हैं, ही हैज अ रेस्टोरेंट इन भुवनेश्वर,
जी।
काफी डाइवर्सिफाई किया इसने। जिम भी एक है,
छोटा अंबानी है भुवनेश्वर का हमारा।
एक और एक बहुत अच्छा है इसने, इंडोर प्लांट्स का बुटीक है।
बुम्बानी, भुवनेश्वर का अंबानी बुम्बानी।
ना
ऐसे मैम बस यही कुछ नया करते रहे, यही कोशिश है। जॉब्स क्रिएट करते रहे, अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन करते रहे।
और क्या बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा।
But the boutique idea is very good. Plant का
Thank you ma'am, thank you.
Yes.
और शक्तिकांत कहाँ है आजकल?
वाला ना पापा।
मैं बैंगलोर में हूँ।
बेंगलोर में? और पापा मम्मी?
जी, पापा मम्मी लांजीगढ़ में है।
क्योंकि वो जब जाने वाले थे मैं तब मिली हूँ, फिर तुम लोगों से तो जब से छूटा है तो मिली ही नहीं हूँ।
नहीं, पापा तो 2008 से वहाँ पे थे, मम्मी फिर बाद में शिफ्ट की वहाँ पे। शायद अगले साल तक वो लोग आ जाएंगे।
हाँ, क्या बोल रहे शक्तिकांत?
अगले साल तक वो छोड़ के आ जाएंगे वहाँ से। मतलब पापा भी थक गए काम करते करते, he wants to take rest.
अच्छा, और क्या, बस रेस्ट दो।
डॉक्टर कभी रिटायर्ड नहीं होते ना पापा।
हाँ, वही मैं कह रही हूँ, वो कभी रिटायर्ड नहीं होते, सच बात है।
डॉक्टर्स एंड टीचर्स
ऑल्सो। टीचर्स को कोई नहीं मिलने से अपना नाती पोते सबको पढ़ाएंगे।
गीता, और कोई ना भी मिले तो अड़ोसी पड़ोसी भी
सबको स्टूडेंट बना लो।
सबको सजेशन देने की आदत नहीं छूटेगी, चलता रहेगा।
नहीं छूटती।
वही कह रही हूँ, कभी नहीं छूटने वाली होती। और सब, और कौन कौन ज्वाइन हुआ है? कोई भी नजर नहीं आ रहा है? नहीं सब है? कौन कौन?
यहाँ पे
अनुपम,
प्रियंका है, अर्चना है, कल्याण, भैया कल्याण, तमन्ना, साई, जसवंत,
अच्छा।
सुनील,
ओके
शुभाशीष,
ओके।
बीसी किरण और मैं।
अरे वाह, सारे हैं भाई। एक बार हेलो तो बोलो कम से कम, मैं देखूं
अर्चना
तो
कुछ
सबको।
बोलो, then you'll appear on the screen.
अर्चना,
You're on
सुभाषी,
mute. Archana, you're on mute.
एक बार तो
हाँ,
हेलो।
आप ठीक है, तुम तो ऐसे ही हो पतली।
बिल्कुल मेंटेन किए जा रही है।
अर्चना जस्ट सेम है पूरा, बढ़िया है, बढ़िया है।
सबको हम
बढ़िया है।
सबको कॉम्प्लेक्स दिए जा रही है।
एक बाल भी सफेद नहीं हुए हैं मैम, देखिए।
हाँ शायद पेंट आ गया, पेंट
पेंट तो सबको डालते हैं आजकल।
Keralites, they have original black hair.
Well, black hair.
Yes, yes, Kerala.
बिल्कुल पक्का है।
Archana, set your microphone, no? It is little bit less audible.
Keep your mic little bit near you.
Near you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes. Continue.
नो, मैं बोल रही हूँ जो
Yeah,
ग्रुप
yeah,
में
yeah.
बूढ़े पापा लोगों इंस्पिरेशन लो मम्मी लोगों से।
Okay. Nice one.
मम्मी लोगों की वजह से पापा लोग ऐसे हो गए, समझना चाहिए।
नो कमेंट्स ऑन
100 out of 100.
नो कमेंट्स
मम्मी और बच्चे।
और गीता मैम, हाउ आर यू? आई वाज हियरिंग टू ऑल योर डिस्कशन।
अरे हम तो वैसे ही बात ही करते रहते हैं। और कैसे हो? ठीक है।
बढ़िया मैम, बढ़िया।
हिंदी डू यू नो ना? हिंदी
हिंदी, यस
ठीक है,
यस।
हाँ।
हिंदी यस।
So guys, we have only 2 minutes more.
JK में रह के
Please say join us.
Rejoin. Okay,
Yeah.
rejoin.
And that will be the last 40 minutes of our schedule of today.
Yes.
All option
Because
is
three sessions are available. Yes.
Yeah.
Sampath will pay for it. The next will continue.
I am fine for that. No issues. I'm ready to pay for my grandson, my teachers.
डायलॉग मारा रे संपर्क
देते रहे, मार दिया रे।
अबे कितने लाखों का
आज एक बिल भेज देगा हम लोग के घर।
ये सब
नहीं, वो कभी भी ऐसे ही ना, पहले सब कर देगा, लास्ट में कलेक्ट करेगा।
आपको बोलेगा तुम्हारा इतना।
इसके बाद
अभी तक
all friends and teachers, you will get the invite shortly.
Sampath, is Viva madam joining?
No, I tried a lot of a number. I didn't get from anyone, unfortunately.
What about Prabhakar madam?
Tell Sadhana madam to write a play.
No, so for Prabhakar madam, I called multiple times, but I think she was busy. She could not pick the call.
Sandhya madam also no?
Sandhya madam, yes, but she.
Sadhana madam, any meeting is going on today because many
Ma'am,
teachers
meeting
not
cancelled,
joined.
sir. Sir, meeting
अच्छा,
cancelled.
meeting cancelled.
I got
Okay,
update.
मीटिंग कैंसिल कर दी है। I think due to this reason only. Sir,
but
cancel
still,
the meeting. Sir,
okay,
cancel the meeting. I think today weather is not good, sir. बारिश हो रही है, तो
Yeah, I
network
think that's
problem, maybe network problem.
शायद
Sir ने मीटिंग कैंसिल करी है, otherwise every Sunday we have meeting, sir. 6:30.
Yeah, I know. Yes, I get every update from Swami sir every.
संडे के दिन क्यों मीटिंग है मैम?
Virtual meeting.
Weekly, but
Virtual
because
meeting.
online classes are going on, no, so they need a.
Abhi they have half yearly very soon.
नहीं
So
चलो
glad that you still remember Viva madam.
ये एक्चुअली में बहुत सारी चीजें करनी है जो डिस्कस करनी होती है ना, वी आर डिस्कसिंग फॉर दैट. It is good.
Shaktikant, me are not going to forget Viva ma'am,
बहुत
right?
improvement आ गया है।
Archana, more than us, it is Jaswant who will never forget.
Of course, even Deepak will not forget.
He will not forget. किसे बोलना पहले? हम लोग नेटवर्क से पास होता है। आ गया।
नेटवर्क के ऊपर धीरे हम लोग, हमारा पेपर निकलता है तो नेटवर्क स्ट्रांग है।
अरे नेटवर्क का कुछ नेटवर्क बहुत खराब चल
जियो लगाया क्या?
रही है। अभी तक एक्ट में जियो दिया नहीं मैंने।
एक्ट तो अच्छा है ना सब।
नहीं यहाँ पे एयरटेल इज वेरी गुड हैदराबाद का. हैदराबाद एयरटेल इज वेरी बेस्ट एक्चुअली.
I have extender, but still the network is pathetic.
नहीं एयरटेल ठीक है यार, अच्छा है उसका.
भुवनेश्वर में ना तो एयरटेल है ना जियो.
तो कौन सा यूज कर रहे हो अभी तुम लोग वहाँ पे?
यहाँ पे है जेट, यहाँ पे है जेट स्पॉट.
वो कौन सा है?
यहाँ का लोकल एक स्टार्टअप है एंड इट इज प्रीटी गुड. बहुत अच्छा है. वेरी नाइस.
Hortel नहीं कराओ.
Hotel like here, no only hotel. से गलानी होटल।
I still remember hotel का डिश टीवी आता था।
हाँ, होटल ओके नो।
Patra sir is not able to connect or he is not.
Patra sir having some issue actually.
Patro sir's video is on mute.
मैं कॉल किया actually Patra sir. Even
पात्रो सर कहाँ पर हैं अभी?
रायगढ़
same school he is continuing in the same school.
साधना मैडम, लता मैडम, वंदना मैडम एंड पात्र सर। ये चार जन है
Dikla madam,
आगे सर शायद आगे सर।
Dikla madam, संपर्क।
सर आपके कैमरा के ऊपर कुछ लगा हुआ है लगता है।
सर कैमरा आपने किसी लगी थी?
रिमोट
हाँ काढू ते
आसुची
आप लोग को तो वॉइस सुनने की मजा आसीगला सर।
केमती रे
अरे सर नमस्कार सर
नमस्ते सर। गुड इवनिंग सर। गुड इवनिंग सर।
गुड इवनिंग
Today you were late sir, we missed you.
Okay मैं sir, I was actually Sampath called me. That's why.
Sir, your video is not on sir, please.
Yes, I'm seeing sir. Wait.
Okay.
some issue with the network in India. मैडम शायद आप म्यूट में हैं मैडम, साधना मैडम आप म्यूट में हैं शायद।
Good evening sir.
आपका वॉइस
Okay.
Good evening.
हाँ पात्र सर आगे।
हेलो सर।
नमस्कार।
Patro sir, namaste.
नादा को name please.
Sir, I'll say names one after
Sai.
We have Sahi, we have Shaktikant, we have
शक्तिकांत कहीं
अच्छी Shaktikant hi sir.
Shaktikant say hi. आपको बोलिए sir.
ମୁଁ କାହାକୁ ଭୁଲିଲି ରେ
भूलिबेनी
actually भी आप लोग केबे भूली पारिबुनो
କାହାକୁ ମୁଁ ଭୁଲିନି actually ନା ଟିକେ ପାସୁରି ଗଲି କେତେ ଜଣଙ୍କର କିନ୍ତୁ ନା ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ମନ ଅଛି ସୁଭାଶିଷ ହଁ ସୁଭାଶିଷ ତ ରୁଚି କୋଉଠି ଅଛି ରେ
सर से बैंगलोर रे अच्छी है।
ତାକୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଆଇବ ସେ ତାର ପିରିୟଡ ଥିବ ଗୀତ ଗା ବୋଲି କହିବ। ଆଲିସା ଚେନାରେ ଗୀତ ଗାଇବ ବଢିଆ ଗୀତ ଗାଇବ।
सर ताको गीत गाती हमको बजाती आपण।
ବଜାନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ ବଜାନ୍ତି ମାନେ ଶୁଣେ ଗୋଟେ କଥା କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ଆନେସେରୀ କାହାକୁ ମାରେନି।
नहीं
Sir, we are saying positively, not negatively.
We thoroughly deserved.
Sir, actually to be honest,
that time was like that.
Yes sir.
Correct sir.
To be honest, I don't know about others, but I think you are the one who introduced sports in us.
Yes, शक्तिकांत मिश्र केते मोटा है गेलु म
माडवाजीला खुली सर
शक्तिकांत मिश्र
everyone is saying that you became actually healthy.
ऐसे टाइम पड़ेगा नहीं सर
ना बट
समस्या सामने रे सर
सर आपण सिंसियरली हमको एते गुडे स्पोर्ट्स रो इंट्रोड्यूस करिले हमें
को स्पोर्ट्स सुभाषिष
नहीं अरे हमको I'll tell so first
Sabu, we have even played basket ये कौन था ना baseball in baseball yeah baseball volleyball
football kabaddi cricket football what not everything
you forgot about hockey
relay race yeah skating also yes
skating already abolished in our school nothing is there.
Oh okay
You remember Sachin Bajaj was our classmate? He was doing very well.
Dilip.
Hi sir.
We are getting Vandana madam now.
Oh wow.
She is joining.
समर्थ काहे रे समर्थ पळे लागि रे
अच्छी
मैं अच्छी सर एडी वो कोडी छाडी जीवी
काहे समर्थ काहे रे
Sir, namaskar. Mochit.
Namaskar.
Vandana madam, you have to turn on your video, I think.
Yeah. I'm very sorry I was late.
Good evening, madam.
Madam, how are you?
Good evening.
Madam, good evening.
Good evening.
Ma'am, namaste. Good
Good evening, sir. Good evening, and namaste,
How are you,
everyone.
ma'am?
And thank you for inviting, and thank you for remembering. And I am late, so everything I am
Nahin,
speaking.
Thanks a lot for joining us, ma'am.
Thanks a lot
Yeah,
for joining us.
it is my pleasure. It is my pleasure.
We can't forget the drawing madam, art which you're talking about.
Yes.
Yeah.
And also the new,
I'm used to handle SUPW.
yes,
SUPW classes.
SUPW. And we also want
Yeah,
we did
that I do
penguins.
now also.
With mud we did penguins.
also.
I remember that.
Yeah, okay.
Madam,
Why?
Madam
You
Sampath is
didn't
still
do
making
oil
money with your art.
No way.
Yeah. That is the best part. That is the best part. Till date. Online.
And do you remember that you were doing oil paintings also?
Yes.
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 We used to do in school and
Ma'am,
Sampath used to
ma'am.
sell it.
Madam,
It is
also
still in my
It
house.
was highlight.
madam, we also do engraving.
Yeah, we did the engraving.
Yeah.
That's the
I'm
best
working
part.
on engraving.
That I remember.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We used to do
So
engraving.
nice.
Narayan.
Push to handle.
Palette
Archana-
work also, palette.
Yeah,
Archana
ballet.
Narayan. Where are
Namaste,
you?
Namaste.
Namaste.
Prasad sir is
हम
also there. I
जगदीशपुर
think
में
last
रह
time.
कर
yes, madam.
madam.
Yes, madam. From the
ये
beginning.
बच्चे लोग बहुत अच्छा से बात करने के लिए एक माध्यम बना दिया, इसलिए बहुत खुश लग रहा है हमको।
Yes.
हर टाइम
नहीं, बहुत अच्छा है।
We are also very happy, sir. हम भी बहुत खुश हैं.
really very nice.
These
this
are
one,
some
really.
people, those who have got so much scolding from us,
Yeah.
and we are honored that they
Yeah.
remember us now.
ये
Also.
मानती ना
Man, we are honored that we got scoldings from you.
दिलीप
And those scoldings were the foundational action.
दिलीप
हाँ sir,
अरे
बताइए sir.
beside you that girl name was Mahanti, no?
Yeah.
Priyanka Mante.
Priyanka Mante. See, long see Archana Sridharan, Archana Narayan, because I
Yes.
like her. 2 photo I brought from her for.
They were
Bali.
active in sports, no, sir. That's why they are more.
Yes.
Always first prize. Always first prize.
Running race. Mainly for running race.
Running race, first prize.
Archana, yes, both
Archana
Archana.
Narayan.
Your
Both,
brother is
correct.
where? Archana, your brother
Whose
Ajay.
idea was to arrange this meeting?
He's
Sampath.
here. He's in Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi.
Yeah.
Archana, your Acha Amma,
Acha Amma in Kerala.
Kerala. Yes. Okay, very good. Then the Sai, I cannot remember.
Sai
Please.
sir,
Was not there, sir.
Sai, sir. Santosh,
not
brother.
there when
Santosh,
you
Sai.
joined.
Santosh, Sai means this one.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Sir, he used to stay close to your house, sir. Just-
He was not there when
Sakshi,
Patro
no?
sir joined.
No, I think no.
Sai was
Sarva
not
madam,
there.
Namaste.
No,
Now it
I
is.
was there,
Namaste,
madam. I was
sir.
there. I was there.
Man, he was there till class 10, man.
Yes.
He was there.
No,
Sir,
I was there
yes.
till class 10.
I
Patro
was
sir,
there
ଆପଣ
in
ମନେ
class
sir
10.
ମୋର ସାଇଡ ଫାଇଟ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା ରନିଂ ରେସ୍ ରେ
Sir, we were
अबे तू
we शक्ति.
शक्तिकांत तू हर एक साथ तू झगड़ा कर रहा था यार.
Tell
थोड़ी
me,
साइड से
tell
सबसे
me.
झगड़ा कर रहा था तू. तू साइड
झगड़े से ही प्यार बढ़ता है दिलीप.
Sai means this one.
सर असेंबली लाइन में फर्स्ट या सेकंड में खड़ा होता था ना सर.
सुनो ना, तुम्हारा पापा का ये तुम्हारा बहन का नाम क्या है?
मेरे बहन ना मेरे हमारे स्कूल में नहीं सर. मेरा भाई संतोष. बट यू आर नॉट देयर. आप नहीं थे उस समय.
हाँ. मेरे को.
I studied till 10th.
You
We
in
are getting
which
declared on the call.
Did I?
और ठीक है, अभी कहाँ पर है? साई.
मैं हैदराबाद में हूँ सर. हैदराबाद.
क्या कौन सा पोस्ट में?
I am working as a business.
में क्या है?
I'm working as a business lead sir in Macrocare, one of the pharma companies. I'm a business lead.
Good. See, and next batch 2003 batch also some students are they are also working in Hyderabad.
Yeah, there are many students, sir, of all the batches in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, Noida.
Priyanka, where are you now?
Sir, I am in Noida.
Noida. ତୋର ବାହାଘର ହେଇଗଲା କି ନାହିଁ?
Priyanka, same shape, same face.
ପିଲାପିଲି? ପିଲାପିଲି?
ନାଇଁ।
ଆଉ ଅର୍ଚ୍ଚନା ତୋର ବାହାଘର, your marriage?
Yes, yes, yes.
କଲ୍ୟାଣ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତି ଅଛି?
Yeah, Kalyan Murthy.
सर नमस्कार.
नमस्कार.
सर नमस्कार.
किए रे?
सर कल्याण मोहन पटनायक.
कल्याण मोहन पटनायक.
Hello.
इन लो. सर तीन लोग की नहीं सर.
Remember because he had contact many times.
मोहन कल्याणी मोहनी.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, got it now.
Kalyan Mohan, correct, sir, right.
साका याद है पूरा ठीक है.
ସବୁବେଳେ ପାଟି ଖୋଲି.
I used to call Kalyan Mohan as Mohan Kalyani every time.
Yes, yes.
ଶକ୍ତିକାନ୍ତ ଫେଲ୍ ରେ ହାତ ଲାଗିଥିଲା ମନେ ଅଛି?
सर पूरा मन अच्छे से टिके गई
Down, buddy.
Dikla ma'am आई है. Ma'am, good evening. Dikla ma'am, good evening.
Madam, namaste.
Good evening.
No, actually,
ଶକ୍ତିକାନ୍ତ କୋଉଠି ଅଛି ରେ?
Namaste, ma'am.
Getting now. I think some issues is not with him.
ତୋ ଭାଇ କୋଉଠି ଅଛି?
भाई बरमपुर अच्छे सर.
ବ୍ରହ୍ମପୁର ରେ.
हाँ.
ହଉ ଏଇଠି ଥିଲା କେତେ ଦିନ? ଏଇଠି ଥିଲା. ଦେଖିନି ଆଉ କଣ କହ? ତୁ ତୋର ପିଲାପିଲି କଣ ରେ?
विजय नायंत सर. आसिवे सर. On the way.
ହଉ ବାହାଇନୁ କି? अरे वो फ्रेंड फ्रैंक बुझले कि नहीं?
सर एनी टाइम.
राइट सर.
अरे लाइफ कौन रे तमे माने एटे अरेंज कलो कथाबार्ता लो रियली आई एम वेरी हैप्पी so that we will share our view each other.
Sure,
See,
definitely.
once upon a time you are a student. Now you are not student, you are a friend. Am I correct, Prasad sir?
Yes sir, right.
What do you say? All this is correct.
Good.
But don't want to have any confidence is always correct.
Dilip?
Because he's the organizer, sir, so he's always right.
Sampath is the organizer, sir.
Yeah.
Sampath is organizer.
Yes, sir.
That's why
He rang me after that. He is telling what no, sir. Can you recognize me? Arey, Sampath, your house is BC Road. BC Road. Your father, your shop was there. Sir. Okay, sir.
Actually, one thing I want to share. When they call all the teachers, when they call all the teachers, almost everyone said, okay, mentor shop. That will remember, not by my name, by my shop only they remembered everyone.
Actually, evening we were.
Even we also remember you by your shop.
तेरा काम ही ऐसा शॉप का.
तेरा शॉप और तेरा कलेक्शंस.
कौन सा collection है?
संपत का मैक्सिमम बिजनेस अक्टूबर के महीने में होता था.
नहीं वो बिजनेस नहीं है लेकिन ये तमन्ना राय तो जेकेपुर में नहीं तमन्ना.
Yes, sir.
You are working in our school at no?
No, sir. I was in my plus 2. I was not.
Where are you now?
I'm in UK. I was working in TCS. In India. Yeah, in UK I'm working in RR Infotech.
You are living in C-type, no? When
Yeah.
you are
Yes,
here?
yes.
Yeah. When I was there, I was in C-type.
Yes.
Then they shifted to Q also.
There, Sunil Kumar.
Yeah,
Sunil.
Q-type also.
अरे
नमस्ते सर.
तुम्हारा सिस्टर कहाँ पर है?
सिस्टर वाइजैक में सर. विशाखापट्टनम.
क्या नाम उसका भूल गया. नाम क्या है? मधु सर. हाँ सर. Okay, good. You are where are you now?
Beyond recognition.
सर.
Sunil, no? Sunil, no,
Even
madam.
we have seen Sunil recently.
After
Maybe
Sunil को.
he was
Sunil.
not in touch with anyone.
There were only few people who were saying after so many days.
Where are you now working?
Sir, I'm working for Tech Systems Private Limited as a lead business analyst. I'm
Where?
Oracle SCM Cloud Consultant.
Where, boy?
Which place? Bangalore.
Bangalore. Okay, good. Bhattacharya madam,
Sunil
namaskar.
was very soft spoken in school.
Who is?
Sunil.
Who is
He
madam?
was very introvert. Sunil.
Sunil, no? Sunil.
Ah,
Yes,
very
yes.
soft spoken, introvert. And Sunil, you are beyond recognition, beta.
Really.
DC Kiran, you didn't speak anything. Come up.
Yeah, he's only listening.
Yes, you are listening.
अरे समर
आ गया
He is always a silent
बोलो तू
आ गया सर
हाँ जाओ
नमस्ते
जोटा हो खुशी लगिला किंतु
आ गया सर मते बहुत भल लागला सर आ गया
तोर जो ये कल्याण मोहन रवि से मिलिटरी थाई कि देखिथिली आगु एबे चेंज हे गेला तार टिके आ मिकीरो ठीक
आ गया।
अछि मिकीरो
हां
सुभाषिष मिश्र
yes sir
आई पुरुषोत्तम किए रे पुरुषोत्तम बोले किए सिदा
डीसी
Kiran.
मते टिके फेस टिके भला तू देखा दउन तार
Sir,
ମୁଁ
you have
Raigada
lost a lot of weight.
what
Is your
From
sister
Raigada.
Priyanka?
Yes, ma'am. Priyanka. Now, yeah. We remember coming down to your place before we left JK4. So I left
Your
JK4.
father left to
अरे,
Chittoor district,
समझ
no?
ये
Absolutely,
किरण
yeah.
के मुझे
Madanapalli.
कर
Ah, Madanapalli.
I think by the time you came, he
Same
was not
boy
in
or
school.
not, I'm just correlating your face.
Yes.
Somebody in
Kiran
school,
actually
now
lost
you
to-
lost lot of weight.
Yes, he is beyond. The first time we saw his beyond recognition, madam.
Guys, we got Dikla madam. Dikla madam, namaste.
Namaste, madam.
Good evening, madam.
Dikla madam, namaste, madam. Namaste, Dikla madam.
मैम कैसी हैं
Madam, how are you, madam?
समर
Fine,
कोड यो
fine.
तू समर
I am fine.
Sir,
How are you?
कोड यो
गुड मैम थैंक यू सर भुवनेश्वर
हैं
भुवनेश्वर
भुवनेश्वर कौन करतु
सर भुवनेश्वर है मैं आधा टाइम भुवनेश्वर आधा टाइम दिल्ली एटी भी
राजकोट से
हां नहीं ये तो कोरिया लोग का करे तो ये रे ये सीरी कोडी अछि
सीरी एटी अछि सर भुवनेश्वर एमटेक करला बायोटेक्नोलॉजी रे से भुवनेश्वर रे ही अछि
बाहिनी
नहीं सर बाय नहीं अरे प्रिपेयर तार एग्जाम्स में प्रिपेयर करछि कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम पे
तू बाहि गेल परे
मु हां सर आई एम सॉरी आपण खुशी नांती 2016 रे बाहर
नहीं तू
मजाक करछि सर मजाक करछि
नहीं करछि से बाहि अरे सब खबर रखि रे अरे
आ गया
रखिति ना जेकेपुर रही जी बोले कोन देखि जानिनु
आ गया जणा पड़छि सर
हौ बुझला जेकेपुर रखि रे समर्थ ये
वो आसिल सर रायगड़ा
दिखला मन चिंता रे अछति देखे कोन दे
Dikla is listening, sir. What you are saying?
मैंने दादा सोच रहे हैं
मैम आपने हमको सुखबीर के गाने में वो भांगड़ा करवाया था एनुअल फंक्शन में मेरे को अभी तक याद है पूरे उसके स्टेप्स भी याद है
रखने से ठीक है
कृष्ण का भी तो आपने प्ले किया था कृष्ण का
Hello.
नंदा मैडम को बोलो नंदा मैडम को आ रहे हैं
Nanda madam.
No, मैं कह रही थी I am here only. I did not go. I was telling कि Subhashri, you are forgetting me. I also did with you.
yes
Bhangra.
मैम yes पूरा अच्छे से याद है
भांगड़ा बोलने से दोनों ही पंजाबी है ना दोनों पंजाबी सिखाएंगे
I don't know now what is the the website today. That time we show a lot of prizes like Pandora box. The Seven Dwarfs one and
Good.
that
Really?
okay, Payavaran.
Morin.
Payavaran. They were very
Morin
good.
madam has directed.
Geeta.
It was so good.
Hey, Paryavaran Geeta ma'am.
Yes. It was so nice as kids. Still we have the pics actually. बहुत अच्छा था.
I think it was you and me, Sampath, right?
Yeah, yes, Punjab.
अरे तुम लोग पिरामिड गए थे कि नहीं?
Sampath was in the Pandora box.
No. I was actually in that. I was Wednesday.
वो box खुला तो संपत निकला उसमें से.
निकला उसमें से.
नहीं रे भाई, मैं नहीं निकला. मैं एक बाप था उसमें. तो नेक्स्ट वी कैन गो विद कौन बचा था बात करने के लिए?
तू ही बचा है.
Kiran was speaking and
just one.
Kiran
बुजी बचा है, बुजी.
Just one. Yeah. We have two people left actually. One is DC and one is just one. First, just one. Carry on.
Thank you so much. मैं इधर ही हूँ.
अरे तेरा वीडियो ऑन करना. वीडियो ऑन कर. हाँ अबे आ गया.
Okay. Thank you. Last time का advantage ये है कि I get to thank all the teachers because some of them have joined late. But most important thing, I think everyone has spoken. Everything that's had to be done and had to be spoken. But a few things that I want to thank teachers, which I could not find in once I left school and all. Prasad sir, thank you so much for taking care of us. I still remember you and other teachers taking us to write competitive exams to other places, other schools, which was supposed to be done by our parents. But all you teachers, you Mukti sir,
formative quiz contest,
and you used to take us to different schools for writing competitions like your kids. No one would have done that, so I really thank you for that. That was over and above your responsibilities. I know that, but that could have been only done in our school. Tikla ma'am and Vanda ma'am, I understand the value of learning arts now. Pathetic at painting, pathetic at tile art. Could have concentrated a bit more, but now I understand how important it is. Possible the day I have my kids, I tell them that this is very important. Maybe I'll send them to school again where I studied. Vanda ma'am, Vicky ने बहुत important बात बताई थी. Till date, I've been in Bangalore for a long period of time, and most of the people that talk to me, they're literally surprised that I speak Hindi so well. वो लोग बोलते हैं कि इतना अच्छा एक्सेंट और इतनी अच्छी हिंदी कैसे बात कर लेते हो तेलुगु होने के बाद. Only and only credit to you, Viva madam and Sandhya ma'am. It wouldn't have been possible.
Dal from Potpan.
I'm still in touch with Lata ma'am and Bhavi sir. They made it to my wedding. That was really nice. Thank you, my teacher. I was off the call because I've been excited right from morning to be on this call. And actually, my sisters, my wife, all of them are jealous for that reason that I'm able to talk to my school teachers again, and that they are not able to do that. So I am actually really proud now. And thank you, Sampath, for arranging this. I don't know if I've missed any of the teachers. But once again, one more important thing, all this I could have done, I'm very happy, is all because of these teachers and this batch of 1999. We have been very notorious.
Where are you now?
I'm in Hyderabad, sir.
Your father?
Dad is in Visakhapatnam. He's retired, happily settled there.
Retired, I know, from Jakepur only, no.
Yeah.
Jakepur only.
Absolutely.
This house, our PB sir.
Yeah, thank you for reminding that. That's very
बचपन हमारे तुमको क्या बोल रहे थे, क्या बुलाते थे अब?
सर वो विभा मैडम आएगी तो बहुत अच्छी तरह बता पाएंगी. आप ही छोड़ दीजिए. वो विभा मैडम नहीं है ना, तो उस बारे में हम लोग अभी ज्यादा बात नहीं करते हैं. I had this awesome privilege, which I think very rarely anyone has. My principal used to stay right next to my house. My physics teacher
all are well established.
Yeah, so Sampath, thank you so much for this. Sir, I don't know if I'm established or not, but I'm very happy that I've been able to do well now, and all because of these teachers and the education that I received.
We are also same. We are also happy. See, everybody really, I am telling. From my core of heart, I am telling this one.
Thank you, sir.
We cannot get the students now. From 2000, 93, and you are 99. 2093 batch, 93 or 90, 2007 batch. Good.
99.
99 you are batch. 2007 also, 2003 also we had talked.
Yes, sir.
And Suparna Roy.
First 97 batch. First 97 batch we spoke on 5th September.
After that, 2003.
No, actually, we had a plan for September 5 only, but unfortunately, I get the numbers. It took much time to get all the numbers. Finally, I got the numbers. I got it.
अभी बोलना नहीं है चिड़िया जब सूख जाती खेतों में तो पश्चात होने से क्या फायदा
Never too late.
बढ़िया
सही पकड़े सर बोले सर
हैं अरे वो तेलुगु है ना तेलुगु को क्या मालूम
नहीं सर
अरे
वो मल्टी लैंग्वेज है सर तेलुगु
नहीं सुनील को आ गया इसलिए सुनील
आ गया सर
आ जाएगा ना
मेरा फोन शट डाउन हो गया था सर
संपत थोड़ा पकड़ने के लिए थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है ठीक है जो भी है लेट होने से भी अच्छा हुआ खुश लगा इतना ही बस और कुछ नहीं है आज क्या मिलेगा देखो ये सब बात करने से बहुत खुश लगता है मैं तो अभी तुम्हारा बैच छोड़ दो मैंने रियाद में है और एब्रोड में है सत्यनारायण बोल के ये सत्यनारायण बोल के मैडम लोग को सर लोग को मालूम भी होगा सत्यनारायण और सूरी सतीश श्रीधरन
यस सर
हाँ और एक है दिल्ली में काम कर रहा है लेकिन उसका नाम भूल गया मैंने व्हाट्सएप में ये फेसबुक में था फेसबुक तो हटा दिया मैंने वो
बजाज
अमित भैया नहीं है
अमित बजाज भी
I think
नहीं अमित बजाज नहीं अमित बजाज
I think all teachers I think so I personally miss Lakshmi madam who made a career this way
yes.
because we never thought that it happened but unfortunately I think in 2007 I think she passed away if I'm not wrong which is very I'm very unfortunate to know that but she really made her way by mainly for English obviously she was very good teacher
I was her favorite student
yeah
every time she used to hit me
that's why you're here now this position
Kiran, where he is working? Kiran?
Yes, sir.
Where are you working now?
I'm in UAE. I'm based in Dubai. I'm based in Dubai.
Dubai. Good.
Interesting to see everybody. I did meet a few here and there, but eventually when Sampath was setting up the call, although I didn't say anybody that I'll be joining, but I thought I should because my oldest teachers and it's been like almost a lot of years. I mean, I don't even remember when did I ever talk to you ever after my school. Last I remember was meeting Sharda ma'am before I left before my dad got transferred. So the last time. Yeah, it's an amazing experience meeting you all, and it really. What I would say is what Vashis said and many people said. कि हमने जो हिंदी सीखा था, that was because of Sandhya ma'am. It was not because of Satha ma'am. Sorry. And and then I lived in Bareilly, in UP, and other places. And to ask me, तू तो South से आता नहीं है? वैसा नहीं है, पता है क्योंकि मैं सीखा था. So that was the thing. So I could also forward, and it's really exciting. And I've seen a lot of people, I've met a lot of people throughout my life, but the memories that I made in LPS was extraordinary. Being notorious, Chup Shaitan more or less, and Bhattacharya madam giving me a whack when I didn't do good in my math course. And trust me, right now I'm a finance lead, so I look after a lot of a couple of regions based in the UAE. So it's fun. But yeah, I learned from my teachers eventually, and now I teach my juniors, if not in the teaching field, but in my work field. It's fun. But yeah, all that I have is a lot of appreciation and gratitude to everybody here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kiran.
Well said.
So guys, we have last 8 minutes this call. So anyone want to speak something? Many teachers, Dikla madam, or you can say Lata madam, Sadhana madam, Geeta madam, Vandana madam, or
Ma'am, teachers, if you can all leave your numbers in the chat box.
I'll give it. Don't worry.
Yes, somebody is having all the numbers.
सबके पास है पूरा database.
मैं दे दूंगा.
संपर्क देना, अपने पास रखना मत सब.
अरे यार मैं ऑलरेडी पोस्ट किया था ग्रुप में, तू देखता नहीं.
कहाँ पोस्ट किया?
अरे तुम लोग का ग्रुप में एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप कर लो.
है सर ऑलरेडी. ये तो
व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप करने से मालूम हो जाएगा.
We have sir, we have actually.
वो संपत्ति बनाया, वही मैनेज करता है उसको.
बीच में फोन करो हम लोग को, मेरे को.
Samarth's one naughty event I remember. Samarth.
जी मैम जी, कितने? अच्छा कौन सा मैम?
कितने?
कौन सा वाला मैम?
I remember that you cleaned your eyebrows in 6th standard.
जी standard 7.
You were in 6th.
मैम मैं सबसे पहले वो मुझे अपने घर बुलाया था, मैं उसके घर जाके सबसे पहले देखा था. उससे ज्यादा शौक में लाइफ में कभी नहीं हुआ था.
उसके बाद I think he was the first person to wear, I mean, long pant in school in 6th class only. Samarth.
And मैडम I remember आप मुझे स्कूल में वो आईब्रो पेंसिल से मेरा आईब्रो बनाती थी. मुझे याद है. आप ही करती थी.
अरे यार, he came without eyebrows to school and looking down. Now अब भी होता तो कांचा चीना बोल देते.
ये तीनों गर्ल कुछ नहीं बोलते हैं. अर्चना एंड प्रियंका महंती तुम
पहले भी कुछ नहीं बोलते थे.
बोल दिया सर, उन्होंने पहले बोल दिया. आप लेट जॉइन हुए एक्चुअली.
हमारी बारी हो गई सर. पहले अभी हम सुन रहे हैं.
ठीक है बाद में मेरे से फोन से बात करो.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
तुम लोग फ्री होने से. ठीक है.
हाँ बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल.
सर हम लोग के साथ बात करने को 19 years लगा. अब आपके साथ कब होगा पता नहीं.
बिल्कुल.
नहीं हो सकता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
नहीं मजाक कर रहा हूँ सर. यस वी विल डेफिनेटली बी टच विद यू.
अरे तुम मजाक करो, सही बोलो. सुनो, हमारा बोलने का धर्म है. और आने से रिसीव मेरा क्या मेरा मतलब क्या है? जो भी फोन करेगा मिस कॉल होने से भी मैं कॉल बैक करूंगा.
नहीं मिस कॉल करने की जरूरत नहीं है सर. दुबई में
बाई चांस मैं उठा नहीं पाऊंगा तो मिस कॉल में जाएगा कि नहीं?
हाँ सर.
सर एक लगाइए सर. संपत को बहुत बात करता है.
बात करना है यार.
बोलता है सर.
बात करके क्या
मारने का? अरे ऐसा मत बोलो. ये सब कुछ नहीं है.
सिटी का रस्सी से मारना है.
अभी तुम लोग फ्रेंड है सब. हमारा स्टूडेंट नहीं है. मेरा नजर से.
थैंक यू सर.
सर we have lost.
Sampath, thank you very much. I think you are recording this one, no? If possible, you upload it
I'll upload Facebook in YouTube only. I'll merge. I'll make editing and I'll merge everything and the post I'll send a link. That's for sure.
Yes, madam.
सर आपको फोन नंबर मेरे पास में नहीं है. प्लीज
मैडम मैं दे दूंगा. मैडम मैं दे दूंगा.
I'll send you.
यस मैं बहुत बार आपको कॉल करने सोची, आपका नंबर ही नहीं है मेरे पास. हम बात ही नहीं कर पाते. प्लीज संपत होके संपत सेंड कर.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.
सबका नंबर सबको भेज देता हूँ.
यस
मेरे पे एक्सेल है.
Madam, which is just one thing just want to add here. I don't know how many of you remember Shastri madam. DS Shastri.
Yes.
Yeah, I just met her last year. Yeah, DS Shastri madam. So I met her last year. She came to my daughter's ceremony here.
Okay.
So she's in Hyderabad only.
Yes.
So, just for all the teachers' information and everyone. Sudha Shastri, correct. Her mother Shastri.
Yes, I know.
So yes. So she's in. Yes. Hello, madam. Yes, tell me, madam.
Did I meet you in Visakhapatnam?
Yes, I had the privilege to meet Sharda madam. Yes, 3-4 years back.
I'm just.
Yes.
I'm in Hyderabad. Exactly. Hyderabad, we have Rekha madam and Sharda madam. We can meet them actually.
अरे संजय मैडम also Hyderabad, right?
It's Hyderabad.
Yes, Sanjay madam is there. Sanjay madam and Rekha madam in Hyderabad.
Rekha madam is also in Hyderabad.
Yes.
Yeah, we can.
One in Lingapalli, one in Miyapur, very near to my place.
Okay.
सबको अपने पास ही रख लिया संपत को,
नहीं
किसी को नहीं भेजा।
अरे यार वो मैं प्रिविलेज है, पास में है मेरे पास एक्चुअली।
वो प्रिविलेज नहीं तो कुछ तो बताया होगा, कुछ तो दिया होगा रे गारंटी।
नहीं कुछ नहीं। So I'm very happy actually.
Okay.
After maybe after about more than 20 years we meeting here in this Zoom class, and it's very nice, happy to see all my teachers who are joined. I'm very I should once again pranam to everyone who joined and have spent a lot of time for this wind of our call. And definitely, if possible, we'll try to have a call at least once in 2 years or something, whenever possible to have, because you should be also free for some time. Because I think when the call started, I'm sure that from now onward, whatever batch is gone, they'll also plan for this call, if I'm not wrong. But seeing the same thing what happened earlier. First started by 1999 batch, and second started by 2003 batch, and now we are 1999. Maybe by seeing ours, maybe they get inspired by us, and they can all these calls.
Yeah, other batches also will definitely get motivated. Yeah.
Definitely, they get motivated. I'm sure that they'll be having a call. And we are very happy. And
तुमने सबको मिलवा दिया, एटलीस्ट सारे बच्चे, सारे टीचर्स है ना, सब बच्चों को देखने का मौका मिला बहुत सालों के बाद में, और बहुत अच्छा लगा सबको देख के।
मैं भी जब आपसे बात करता मैडम,
थैंक यू सबसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा।
संपत।
श्योर
थैंक यू संपत, थैंक्स एवरीवन।
मैडम जब मैं सब लोगों से बात करता पहली बार, लेकिन एक्साइटेड था बात करने के सब टीचर से। मैं सोचा कि लोग मुझे पैसा मांगे कि नहीं, क्या करेंगे, आई डोंट नो, बट एवरीवन दिस इज सो वेल, आई वाज सो हैप्पी।
तेरे को कोई भूलेगा नहीं यार।
तेरे को कौन भूलेगा रे संपत?
ऐसा नहीं भाई, मतलब सी द लॉन्ग गैप, राइट? 21 साल हो गया है, 21 साल के बाद अभी सडनली
You are one single piece born on this earth.
So it's a very happy actually.
कभी भूल जाएंगे लेकिन तेरे को नहीं भूलेंगे।
Thank you guys.
Thank you very much. Everybody convey our regards to your parents too. Okay.
Sure sir, sure.
Everyone sir, thanks a lot for joining.
We used to meet your parents in parents teaching meeting very often, right? How much attachment we have with you, the same thing we had with your parents also.
Sir, it was fun for you but fear for us.
Of course, that was the
So we have last 1 minute. Once I'm thanking each and everyone who joined this call, including my friends.
Thank you very much, everyone.
We enjoyed a lot.
Hard for everyone joining.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
मेजर
Really our pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you.
मेजर कुछ बोला
Thank you everyone.
सर बस सर
मेजर साहब।
सुन ही रहा हूँ, सुन के ही अच्छा लग रहा है सर। और मिलते रहेंगे सर।
मेजर कुछ देर बाद बोलते हैं सर।
ठीक है।
And one
मेजर इमीडिएटली नहीं बोलते हैं।
one last thing, whoever will come to Hyderabad, mainly teachers, please drop a message. Definitely I'll try to meet you, 100% for sure. Anyone?
Sir, say
who will be teachers.
Bhubaneswar, sir. Anybody coming to Bhubaneswar, please drop a message.
Sir, we have in Hyderabad actually, we have 4 students. हम लोग बैच में 4 जन हैं, साई है, मैं हूँ,
ये
सब
तो
लोग हैं।
जी आ गया सर, आ गया। जी मैम।
Better arrange a meeting
मैसेज
in
ड्रॉप करें।
Bhubaneswar.
जी
हाँ मैडम, उसका होटल है, वहाँ सब मिल सकते हैं एक्चुअली।
That's why I'm telling you. It's better to meet all of us in Bhubaneswar.
मैडम गुड सजेशन, शारदा मैडम गुड सजेशन।
यस मैम। आ गया सर, ମୁଁ ପଟିଆରେ ଅଛି।
ପଟିଆରେ କୋଉ ପାଖରେ?
ପଟିଆରେ ବିଗ ବଜାର ପାଖରେ।
ବିଗ ବଜାର ପାଖରେ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ବିଗ ବଜାର ଲେଫ୍ଟ ସାଇଡ ରେ ଇଏ ଅଛି।
सर कॉल एंड जीवो सर कॉल एंड जीवो।
पतंजलि ଅଛି।
और 30 सेकंड ଅଛି। Only last 30 seconds.
Yes.
सर ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ